Hello everyone, this is new AutoCAD dynamic block, 4 cabinet in one block. First one is cabinet with drawer, this one. Second one is cabinet without drawer, this one. Third one is single door cabinet, this one. Fourth one is double door cabinet, this one. You can switch easily. Also, you can stretch this drawer separately, rotate it. Same here. Same this single door cabinet. And you can flip it. Last one, this is double door cabinet which have double equal door, and you can stretch it.